Heavy saucepan or kettle, let the sugar dissolve in the milk. Bring it to a boil. In another bowl, add your egg yolks, your egg, and your sifted cornstarch. Over bain-marie, pour your milk with the sugar, add your cornstarch, whole egg and egg yolks, add your vanilla, and butter is going to be last. The consistency is going to thicken. It is much better to use a whisk. Don't stop whisking. Once your sauce has thickened, you can add your butter. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.